Titan is a leading global manufacturer and supplier of wheels, tires, and undercarriage for a wide variety of off-the-road equipment within the agricultural, earth-moving, consumer, and construction segments. Our previous solution suffered from platform reliability issues, which caused a significant delay and frustration within our team. We frequently experienced instances where the platform failed to function as it was intended. It became cumbersome for us to execute certain aspects of SOX to the point where some team members would execute these activities outside of the platform and in a manual environment. Our vision for a solution was a reliable, intuitive solution that would streamline our work, help us address the risks that most affect our organization, and maximize our impact. So we wanted to spend less time on platform administration and more time focused on those value-added activities. Upon implementing Audit Board, our team has seen significant boosts in efficiencies within the first few months of utilizing the Ops Audit module. We have created multiple audit program templates that can now be leveraged for future use. And then we've also streamlined our Ops Audit reporting. So previously we were building our exit reports and final reports in PowerPoint, right? And so that comes cumbersome and tedious because you're trying to create text boxes and reorganizing it, reformatting it for it to flow how you want it to flow in that, very manual process. And so with Ops Audit, we've been able to integrate that process into the platform, thus leveraging the automation and improving efficiencies. In today's fast-paced environment, it's not simply enough to work hard, you need to work smarter. That means leveraging the technology such as Audit Board to streamline that work and maximize your impact. And so by adopting that type of mindset, you make the best use of your resources and achieve your goals more effectively and efficiently. Audit Board so far has helped us play a crucial role in enabling our organization or our department, internal audit, to streamline its processes, thereby reducing the unnecessary clutter, just being able to see the picture clearer. The recently new AI program has been extremely resourceful in the limited time that it has been available. We mainly use this tool to refine our writing, which includes footnotes, issue descriptions, just mainly those aspects that require writing, but the AI tool has been able to refine it, shorten it, lengthen it, and get it to where we're communicating what we need to communicate with high quality content. I don't feel like I had to justify as the manager to engage Audit Board. I think the work speaks for itself. The efficiencies gained does the talking for me.